When I used to fly on an airplane, you fly into these large cities and you see warehouse after warehouse after warehouse. And I've often wondered, why don't I see more solar? We have all this roof space on our warehouse. It seems like a natural thing to do. InterChange is a third-party logistics company. We have operations throughout the state of Virginia, about 2.5 million square feet of warehouse space in a variety of environments. So we have dry storage, cold storage, and now frozen environments. It was obvious that how Secure Futures looked at solar was different than how some of the other providers did. So getting educated about the unique energy profile of each building is something that takes outside expertise. When I see what Secure Futures is doing, it feels good to be a part of what they are doing in the industry by being one of their customers. Everything that we do is community-based. We're not just investing in our future, we're investing in the future of solar and its impact in our community. When Secure Futures is successful, schools are implementing solar. Hopefully, eventually our peers are implementing solar. We want to be part of that healthy solar industry. But for people investing in the long term like we do, it's a good match. It makes sense.